How to restore pre-installed Picsart or switched browsers. Here's how to restore your purchases in Picsart. First, open settings by clicking on your profile icon, which is located at the top right corner of your screen. Then go to the subscription or billing section. Click on restore purchases. Picsart will verify your previous transaction. Make sure you are logged in with the same account used to buy the subscription. Ever had a feature vanish after reinstalling? Let's talk about it in the comments below. If the restore option does not work, try logging out and back in or contact the Picsart support directly. And that's how you can restore Picsart purchases. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.